So this is a series of Linux command. So in previous videos we had tried different command, approximately 10 commands we have tried so far. So basically today we will talk about chmod. So why we use chmod? Basically chmod, it means a change mode. So basically for privileges we use those. Let's suppose we have files, we have directory and folders, so that we need to change the privileges like read, write or execute. So those things we can change using chmod command. So let's see how we can do the practical things. So basically I have written this, basically change mode, which is chmod, and the syntax will be chmod option, whatever the privilege we need to assign to that file or the folder, then we can give, and the mode will be file name. Okay, so option will be recursive, force or verbose. Okay, so let's see. Let me see, do we have a folders or file here or not? Okay, we have one folder, test folder. So let's see what is the privilege of this folder. So how we can check? ls l. Okay, so this is it's showing drwx rwx. It means this folder has all the rights: read, write and execute. Okay, so this folder has all the rights. It means it can read, write and execute for all the users. Okay, or whether it is owner, whether it's a group or the other. So basically to use chmod we have two modes for that. Like basically we have two ways for that. One is octal and second we have is symbolic. Okay, second we have symbolic. So how we can use this? Basically let's suppose chmod. Okay, so here r we have already told you, like recursive we have for r, forcefully if you want to do, then force and verbose. So today we will see how we can use this recursive method. Now inside that we have a 421 421 421. So I want only this privilege. Okay, I want only to execute, that user should execute only, and second group also execute and the other also should execute only. So what is the file name, what is the folder name? Test. So let's see, lsl. See, now the privilege has been changed to x. It means it is now only executable, nobody can read and write from there. Okay, so same the way if I want chmod r741 or 744 and the folder or the file you can use whatever, we can use test. And let's see the privileges. Yeah, so one, we the owner has all the rights: read, write and execute. The group has only the read rights, and the other only can write. The other group cannot read it. Okay, so I hope you understood the concept of chmod. So that's it. In the next video we will look into symbolic way. Okay, yeah, that's it for today. Have a good day. Bye.